and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a brand new LEXUS repair we are doing on a brand new NX LEXUS. This bumper cover was hit in two spots, probably some sort of lot damage. So today we got some new goodies on the camera. We got a mic, so hopefully you can hear me a little bit better. And we got a little swivel action. Thank you, Bodie, for that. So I'm gonna take you real quick through the repair. We're going to keep this video short, and I'm going to show you a little bit of the painting process, the mixing process, and we're going to try to get into some blending right here. So stay tuned, and let's get this done. Okay, back here in the booth, and we reached the most important part. This is where we decontaminate. Now we have two separate cleaners here. We have a water base and a solvent. Water base removes from any oils from your hands. Wax and grease remover base, solvent base will only remove oils, grease, that type of thing. This is the most important part. When you do this, you need to saturate completely. Wet the whole entire thing. What that does is it brings all of the contaminants to the surface, and then you use a lint-free prep rag, towel, and wipe them off. So let's get this clean first. For me, I use water-based, and then I use wax and grease after, because I find sometimes this can leave it just a little bit streaky. Back in the booth over here, and we are ready to start painting. Now, this is what you're going to see in the next time frame and time lapse. We have our clear base. This is going to go over the whole entire bumper. It is 100% clear. It's going to give us a good foundation for our base to lie, and it's going to assist a little bit in blending. Then we have our base coat color, okay? So we'll apply this first, and then our base coat color. Then we're going to, well, before we do all that, we're going to use our tack rag. We're going to tack it, then our neutralizer, and then the most important part, our blue towel for our sweat, because it is about 100 degrees in here. It is hot as basketballs, and we don't want any of our sweat going into the paint.